Every generation explained part 5. Generation X. Gen Xers grew up in an era with more dual-income families and single-parent households. As a result, many Generation Xers were latchkey kids, returning from school to an empty house while their parents were still at work. This generation has also been called the baby bust generation because its members were born at a time when the baby boomers' high birth rates were declining, which was attributed in part to the introduction of the birth control pill in the early 1960s. As adolescents and young adults in the 1980s and 1990s, Xers were dubbed the MTV generation, sometimes being characterized as slackers, cynical, and disaffected. Some of the many cultural influences on Gen X youth included musical genres with strong social tribal identity, such as alternative rock, hip-hop, punk, heavy metal. Generation Xers were the first children to have access to personal computers in their homes and schools. In the early 1980s, the use of personal computers exploded with manufacturers like Commodore, Atari, and Apple. Follow for Part 6.